Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today's video is going to be the November 2020 PetitVour unboxing. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. So this just arrived today, the day I'm filming. This is Saturday the 21st. I don't know what day you're going to see it, I haven't decided. So here is this month's card. Super cute. Kind of like giraffe oblong spots or something, and a pinky cute muted pattern with some leaves. And it looks like we're getting 4 products per the card. So this first one, let's see, where's the label? Evio Beauty Hydrating Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Maple. So let's see, this is $14 for 0.1 ounces. This hydrating lip gloss is packed with moisturizing ingredients to keep lips soft without the stickiness. It features a doe foot applicator for soft, precise application. So let's open it up. I'm liking the sound of the color already. Maple sounds like it's gonna be really nice. And it does look like a really nice neutral color. I don't get what's up with the wand being super long, but I guess that's a choice. Choices. Let me go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand, show you guys the color. Since it is kind of cute, I'm probably going to keep this. Yeah, it's just very neutral. Although on my skin it looks a little pinkier than it does in the tube. Think. Maybe. I don't know if you can hear Franny out in the hall in Austin trying to distract her. Speaking of Franny, that little crap got me the other day. That's what these scratches are. Yeah, that's a really nice color, and this is something I see myself wearing for sure. Really cute. So 1 out of 4. So far, so good. The next item is from Goldfed MD, and this is the Solutions Hand to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Treatment. So I've not really liked any of the face products that I've tried from Goldfed MD enough to really think about them after they're gone, but let's read about this one. This is 20 milliliters for $9. So this is tiny thing is valued at $9, which is another issue I have with Goldfed MD. The prices are insane, but anyway. Prepare your hands for winter weather with this doctor formulated hand treatment. Niacinamide, glucosamine, and organic red tea extract brighten and restore youthful vitality to skin. So I love me a hand cream. I will definitely stick this on my nightstand and use it up. I'm less picky about ingredients when it's something going on my body versus my face. I like to take super care of my face. So I'm definitely going to use this up, and hopefully it's good. Next item, let's do this one. This is from, I don't know, Corson Beauty. It's the pink mask. So is it pink? No, it's not pink. It's like a honey color. But anyway, here is what it looks like. Not gonna lie, this packaging feels a little bit janky. The lid feels like actually kind of nice and like there's thought in it. But then this label feels like they just printed it. Somebody got a little creative with Microsoft Word and they printed this label. Come on, focus. Stop trying to focus on my face. There we go. As you can see, it's like pretty janky looking. Very basic. Don't know what happened there, but let's read about it. So this is a $10 value, and it is 0.5 ounces. This gel mask is infused with antioxidants and exfoliating enzymes that even skin tone and brighten complexion while locking in moisture and reducing inflammation. Well, all of those things sound lovely. There's no ingredients listed here, but this is probably something I'll use, and I love me a mask, so we'll see how it goes. And the last item I saved for last because it's so big. Like, whatever this is a full-size item. This is Brilliant Black Toothpaste with Activated Charcoal Whitening Vegan Mint from Terra & Co. and it's made in the US. So here's the packaging. Simple, chic packaging. Looks like it is sealed, so I'm not going to open this because I already have a charcoal toothpaste open at the moment. And I don't use it super often, like maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. I don't like to go overboard with it just because my teeth can veer to the sensitive side. But yeah, I'm going to definitely keep this and use it once the other one is used up as sort of a little whitening type thing. But let's read about it. This is a $20 toothpaste. Whoa. Okay, and this is 4 ounces. This little black magic will leave your teeth clean, polished, and brilliantly white. Activated charcoal detoxifies, while coconut and tea tree oils remove plaque buildup and combat bacteria. And then the other thing I wanted to mention about charcoal in products is that I do believe, I mean, go read the science for yourself, but I'm pretty sure if you ingest an overabundance of charcoal type things, it can mess with your birth control if you take a birth control pill. So just talk to your doctor, read the science, do your own research on that. But I mean, how much are you going to ingest just brushing your teeth? But still, something to keep in mind. Overall, this box was pretty great. A hand cream, which I will always use, a lotion type product, a lip gloss that is a really pretty color, a face mask, which I love, and a toothpaste, which is such a practical item. You will always use toothpaste. So very pleased with this month's box. I think it is fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed opening all this stuff. I'm really happy with the results here. I'm just so pleased with this box. Everything was really good. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!